Hey, how you doing? How you doing? What's up, guys? Uncle Craig here. Yeah, on the farm in Thailand, and I pulled my trap out. Water seems to be still flowing. I heard a big old splash over here. I wanted to come investigate. I think what it was the what's that, the ducks. Like maybe the ducks are back. You know, they'll come in and right, I don't know, is it a duck or a loon or something like that? But anyways, they dive bomb into the fish pond and try and scoop up some fish. Although most of our fish are pretty big, so maybe when they came in to get the fish came after them. And that was what the big splash was. I don't see any feathers. Good indication of fish attacks bird is a bunch of feathers in the pond, but I don't see any, man. And I haven't really been encountering a lot of snakes, which is, I thought it was unusual, but you know, certainly welcome. Here, check this out. Let me be. If I can get close. Whoa. So, although that being said, yesterday my wife was up and down the stairs pretty quick. I go, what's going on? She was over at her mom's house. I forget why she had to go over there, but anyway, yeah. So there was a cobra in our old room that we had at the house. Big old cobra in there. I said, you want me to get it? She said, no. The uncle on that side got it. Had to find it first. So yeah, cobra in the house, probably not good. Which she reminded me that the door doesn't shut properly over there. The front door doesn't shut properly now, so for whatever reason. So I'll have to go over there and fix that door. But before I fix the door, I gotta fix the light in on my patio up there. It's been, well, this is August, really gonna be August tomorrow, August 1. So that's 1 year and 7 months since we've been in this house. And the light bulb, that light bulb's been out for actually a couple months. I haven't been able to do that. Or I should say, I haven't wanted to do that. But because it's gonna be kind of tricky. So, and when I say tricky, I mean pretty tricky. So, check out my rig, man. Yeah. Is that the way to do it? I gotta change that light up there. You know, and there's one here and one there too. Although, I think that's the only one that's out. And of course, my ladder is not as wide as this is. So I put a piece of wood there and a piece of wood here. This is the only piece of wood I had, so I figure I can climb up there and get it done, as long as it doesn't teeter and knock me off. I don't mind it teetering that way. I can jump down into the grass. But I haven't done a lot of jumping, you know, since I'm in my 60s, so hopefully you don't jump and everything breaks. I think it'll be all right. I want to do it before the rain gets in here, so yeah, let's see what I can do. We'll get back at you. Well, easier than I thought. I don't know, from when I looked at it, it looked like I definitely wasn't going to reach the top of that. Eyes are deceiving. So I didn't need that ladder after all. Oh, these light bulbs I have that I had hanging out in there are decidedly bigger than that little one. But I gotta go up here and turn it on and see if it works. Yay, works. The other ones, yep. But I don't think I'm gonna be. I should take all those out and clean them or something, but I don't know. Well, I looked at this thing and I don't see any other way of taking it off other than the way I did it, which was 6 different little hex head nuts at the bottom of this. I mean, look at that, man. I thought I was unscrewed at the top, but that's not the case because that nut in there is just spins, so I wouldn't be able to get the top off. But I'm gonna use my my sprayer over here, see if I can't wash this out. It's alright. Clean enough. I actually need I need to dry it a little bit. It is electricity. Clearly it doesn't have a big seal because otherwise it wouldn't have a million little bugs in there. But I don't know. Whoa. I might have to swap out these lights. Look at it, comes like pieces. Great. That, I guess that's to be continued. Put this thing together like a jigsaw puzzle. Oh yeah. Other than that, yeah, it rained pretty much today. Haven't really done much. Went to a restaurant last night, outdoors. It was pretty cool in this one area of Nakonchum. They're just new restaurants popping up, like 3, 4, 5 different ones. Really cool. I'll have to show you sometime. Anyway, pretty lazy day here on the ranch, on the farm, on the banana. And we'll see if we can't get it done. I'll probably have to clean those other lights. What I would like to do is get the light. Yeah, I should swap those out for the ones that hang upside down, where I can use that pole for the light bulb changer. You just stick it up underneath there. You don't need scaffolding. I can just stick it under there and grab it and replace it like that. That would be much better, especially for someone at my age. But you know, I can still scamper around for a little while on this scaffolding. All right, man. Thanks for watching. And keep watching. It'll get better. Back at you. So I got that one changed up. Then I remembered that one big round one up there. That's also out. So it looks like I definitely will have to use the ladder on top of the scaffolding trick. Wish me luck, man. It's kind of different position, so I can't really, you know, get it where I want it, I think. Let's see. Set the camera down. It's always good to have, you know, video of somebody breaking their leg or something. Hey. There you go. Yeah, so it's this one, not that one. Dude, that's what happens when you get high in the morning. But I need to take that part off anyway to, you know, clear the bugs out of there. Bug dust. It you know, affects the light, right? Not as bright. But how am I gonna do that? Scaffolding on that side, I don't know, maybe if I can try and put the ladder on the stairs or something. All right, man, let me do this. I'll get back at you. Yeah, well, that ladder position right there does give me enough room to change that light up there. But yeah, clearly changing lights on a 2-story terrace kind of house, a little tricky. So the ladder up on the stairs for this one, the ladder on top of the scaffolding for that one. Both of them I had to reach out though, but these lights are easy because you just turn the disc and it falls off. You can clear all the dead bugs out of underneath there, which is good. But then the scaffolding has to be out here for these 3. And I realized after I took it off that there are 2 screws on the very top. If you take those 2 screws out, you can take the top off and change the light that way instead of taking the 6 nuts off the bottom. But if I'm standing just on the scaffolding, I can't see those screws, so I'll have to try and, you know, feel around and unscrew it that way, I guess. Otherwise, you put the ladder up there and put it on there. But better still, I mean, I like the style, you know, the light. It's all right, but it is a cheap light, so that means that cheap enough, I'll probably replace it with something more practical. And by practical, I mean easy to change, because it's not easy to change. I don't think I should. I mean, obviously, how often do you lose light bulb, right? Not that often. So, but do I really want to use scaffolding and ladder like that when I change a light bulb? I see a lot of guys build their houses, you know, even the single-story house, brick house. Some of them have a lot of recessed lighting in the overhang, which in your normal 6-foot ladder like this, like you would probably have around your house, that's not gonna cut it, man. You're gonna need an 8-footer, 10-footer maybe. Or they go 8 and 12 or something. I don't know. There's a ladder guy actually on the road side up there. Parks on Sundays, I think, during the market, and he sells ladders of all sizes that he probably makes, you know. So you probably get a custom one. That's probably what I should do, is just get a like a 12-foot ladder. Yeah, 12-foot, you know, A-frame ladder instead of a sliding ladder. You know, I don't want that kind. I should get a big old A-frame ladder, and I could just throw it up there and do that and be stable. Probably up against the stairs on this side, be all right, and over there be all right. And then I could also use it to spray down the house, you know, when I have to reapply varnish, which will be soon. You know, we decided we'll do that maybe once every 2 years. Maybe after, I don't know, maybe after we apply it this time, it'll last even longer. So maybe then it'll be 3 years or whatever. But yeah, you don't think about that, you know, when you're renting and stuff. You know, I don't need to change light bulbs and all that. Or even when you build your house, you probably don't think about, I gotta change lights. Where are they? How am I gonna do that? Yeah, you could just call somebody and have them do it. But you want to call somebody to change the light bulb? That's a tough one. You know, it's like, yeah, sure, I'll come over and change the light bulb. Yeah, it's gonna be 500 baht, whatever. What? So you just gotta do it yourself, man. DIY. That's what we do here on the Thai farm. A lot of DIY. And I did not go out and about today. I got some extra sleep. It rained. Oh, you know what? I forgot to check my. I wanted to go out during the rain to see if my little rig over there I had for rain catchment was actually putting water into that third tank. I don't know. Maybe it'll rain tonight. I don't know if you can see this, but we got some gray clouds out there. It's still gray. It's a little cloudy up here, but it's pretty cool. It's not raining on me right now. Whew. All right, man. More later. I'll get back at you.